Diesel versus petrol. Two engines, two completely different approaches to power, performance, and efficiency. But what makes them so different? Today, we're breaking it down and showing you exactly how these engines work, their strengths, weaknesses, and when you should choose one over the other. How they work. Let's start with the basics. Both diesel and petrol engines are internal combustion engines, meaning they burn fuel to create energy. Petrol engine. The fuel is mixed with air and compressed by the piston. Then, a spark plug ignites the mixture, creating an explosion that drives the piston down. Diesel engines work differently. They compress air alone, heating it to extreme temperatures. When diesel fuel is injected into this hot air, it ignites on its own, no spark plug needed. This is called compression ignition. What does this mean for power and efficiency? Diesel engines are built for torque, making them perfect for heavy loads and long-distance driving. That's why you see them in trucks, buses, and even some SUVs. Petrol engines, on the other hand, are all about speed and performance. They rev higher, deliver more horsepower, and are ideal for light vehicles and sporty driving. This difference comes from their design. Diesel engines are more robust, with stronger components to handle higher compression, while petrol engines are lighter and more tuned for acceleration, performance, and noise. When it comes to driving experience, diesel engines are quieter and smoother than they used to be. But they still can't match the refinement of a petrol engine. Petrol engines are more responsive and fun to drive, especially at higher RPMs, while diesel engines shine at low speed, torque, and durability. Choosing the right engine. So, which one should you choose? Here's the breakdown. If you're towing, driving long distances, or need serious durability, go diesel. But if you want affordability, low maintenance costs, or you just love sporty driving, petrol is the way to go. Maintenance and longevity. Diesel engines are built to last. They're more durable and often go hundreds of thousands of miles if properly maintained. But that robustness comes at a cost. Diesel engines are more expensive to repair when something goes wrong. Petrol engines, on the other hand, are simpler and cheaper to fix, but they might not last as long as a diesel if you're clocking up serious miles. So, that's the lowdown on diesel vs petrol engines. What do you drive, and why did you choose it? Let us know in the comments.